Hey friends, Jenna here, part of the Kat Scrappiness creative crew, and today I'm going to introduce to you some new shadow die cuts. We have Howdy and Hey Y'all, and these go perfectly with the Cowboy Quokkas, so I'm going to give them a little reintroduction because I'd like you to meet them all. So we have the Cowboy Quokka paper and ephemera, which is amazing. I love the ephemera. For a quick card, it's really great to just be able to put together your layout and not have to color or cut anything and just use one of those. We have this bandana stencil, and then we have the stamp set, and it has a coordinating dies. But let me show you these little guys. So we've got cowboy with his rope, our cowgirl, and I colored her in two different colorways. And then we've got lots of little like ephemera pieces, some boots, cactus, another little cactus, a sunflower, a cowboy hat, and a horseshoe. And then we have this cute little quokka couple and our quokka on a horse, and then this couple. They are so fun. So that is our kind of cowboy collection. These two are brand new, but could be used for so many things, even just a simple, hey y'all card with some pretty paper, and that would be all you need. So let's make a card and I'll show you which ones I picked to use. Let me put these guys back in their little bucket so I don't lose any of the pieces. And we're going to be using the bandana paper, the denim paper, and this is going to just be a pretty quick card. Um, I've already got things cut and colored, and let's get this going. This set also has a matching sentiment set, the cowboy sentiments, and they're really fun too. So you could always add the hey y'all or howdy and then one of the little sentiments as well. And you'd have a quick and easy card. So let's just get this glued down. And the nice thing about Kat's die cuts or the dies is that when you die cut them, they cut pretty nice and tight. There's not a huge border and they're very easy to line up. And I'm just going to back these with some black paper. I really want the paper and my little quokkas to stand out. I love the quokkas, all of them. I think I have all of them. They're fun to color. They're just cute and kind of quirky. All right, we got that down. And this is just going to be a really simple layout. And let's see, which one? I think I'm going to go with Hey Y'all. And I like this guy. But there's going to be a twist. Not really a twist. How about a wobble? That's always fun. So let me get this part glued down. And this is just kind of a quick video. I really wanted to introduce you to the new die cuts, the Howdy and the Hey Y'all, and to kind of reintroduce the Cowboy Quokkas and everything that you can get to go with them. All right, let's get this glued down. So it is a really fun collection. I love having it. I've used it quite a bit. So we've got our Hey Y'all. All right, and now we're going to add a wobbler because, you know, he looks like he's riding a horse, so it should wobble. I think it should wobble. So I'm going to kind of spring that out, and then I'm going to set this on here to try and kind of find, because see there it's not balanced. where my wobbler's kind of wonky. Can't have wonky wobblers. All right. I think it needs to go up here. So what I do is, let me grab my little poker tool. This is from Kat Scrappiness too. You gotta be careful. It's sharp, which I love. Makes peeling off the backings of adhesive or things like this super easy. And then there's a wax picker tool on the other side. Perfect for grabbing those little embellishments or shaker bits. All right, we're just gonna glue this down. And then we are pretty much done with our card. So I hope you all check out the whole collection, not just the new dies, the Howdy and the Hey Y'all, which are super multi-purpose, could be used for anything. And I live in South Alabama, so Hey Y'all is, yeah, that's kind of a daily thing and would be perfect for any any greeting card or birthday card or anything. All right, we'll get this guy glued down. Or girl, I guess this is the girl because she has the eyelashes. Oh, yeah. Wobbling is the best. I'm just going to hold that here for a second. Look at that. Isn't that fun? And so quick. So look at this card. How cute is that? Let's get it on a card base. I probably should have done that before. And yes, I reuse my mess up card bases. This is one of my favorite black papers, and so we recycle. All right, we'll get this on here. I'm gonna tap it down to make sure it's even at the top. There we go. We have a super fun, super easy card with our Hey Y'all, which is the brand new, so it's a two-piece die set, and it has the shadow and then the words, and they cut perfectly. And the only thing you got to watch for is the little apostrophe, so make sure you don't lose that. And then, but fun to cut the backing even out of vellum or no backing at all and just use the words. And then this is our howdy, which is fun. So let me show you the Cowboy Quokkas again. So we have these two die cut sets. And then these are all of the stamped images that I've colored. This is the whole set colored. So you can kind of have an idea of what there is. I did her twice because she's cute. And then these are all the little, just gonna dump those ephemera pieces. And I could add, like a sunflower. I could put a sunflower on the inside or a cactus. So you could put a little cactus on the inside here. I might do that. It's kind of cute. Or this one that has the little flowers on it. So lots of options there. So that is the stamp set. Then here is the bandana, which here I have done it in kind of a rainbow there. It's fun because you could pick out parts of it. You can use the circle. You could do the whole thing and then die cut the middle. Then there's the paper and the ephemera. And the paper's got some really fun prints as well as some more kind of solid ones. And the ephemera, there's 35 pieces in the ephemera. And then here is here's the die cuts. And then this is the sentiments, the Cowboy Quokka, and they're all just funny little sentiments. Blame it all on my boots. Head over boots for you. Hold your horses. Sassy sense forever. Cowboy, take me away. Chin up, boots down. Cowgirl, take me away. Gone country. Country roads, take me home. You got to sing it when you say it, though. Boots, lace, and a whole lot of grace. Howdy, so you could do there's big howdy, little howdy. Dirt is just cowgirl glitter. Cowgirls just want to have fun. Country boy, yeehaw. Giddy up, cowboy up, cowgirl up, and country girl. So fun. And those would even be fun stamped on the inside or if you decorate your envelope. But I hope you have enjoyed this introduction to our two new die cuts, as well as a reintroduction of the Cowboy Quokkas. Hope to see some cards soon by you. You can find this at katscrappiness.com under the new releases. So enjoy and thanks for watching.